Are you looking to create a fully automated Amazon affiliate site in just 3 easy clicks? We know that building and managing an Amazon affiliate site can be a real challenge. From dealing with the technical hiccups to finding the right products to promote, from writing engaging product reviews to ensuring that your site ranks high on Google, it's a time-consuming and often frustrating process. And let's not forget about the constant pressure to keep up with the competition. But what if there was a way to bypass all these hurdles? Enter Azon AutoSites, an innovative solution that automates the entire process, allowing you to create top-notch Amazon affiliate sites in under a minute. This cutting-edge technology not only creates your site, but also fills it with hot content and product reviews, ensuring it gets a high rank on Google. Imagine the ease of creating a fully automated Amazon affiliate site that ranks high on Google, and all it takes is just 3 clicks. Azon AutoSites is not just another tool in the market. It's a game changer for affiliate marketers. Imagine having the power to create self-ranking, fully automated Amazon affiliate sites in less than a minute. That's right, 60 seconds is all it takes to set up a site loaded with hot content, reviews for trending products, and even monetized in 3 easy clicks. But the benefits don't stop there. Azon AutoSites also offers automatic review creation from 30,000 categories. You can instantly find trending keywords that people are searching in real time on Amazon for reviews. This ensures effortless monetization using 100% authentic reviews for red-hot products like never before. The best part? Azon AutoSites uses AI to fill your sites with daily reviews on top trending products across Amazon. All of this allows you to focus on what truly matters, making profits. Azon AutoSites is the tool you need to focus on what truly matters, making profits. Now, you must be wondering how to use this revolutionary tool. Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, log into your Azon AutoSites account. This is your gateway to the world of effortless Amazon affiliate marketing. Once you're in, you're ready for step 2. Here, you'll choose your niche. With over 30,000 categories to pick from, the world is your oyster. You can opt for anything from tech gadgets to kitchen appliances. The choice is yours and the possibilities endless. Now the final step is where the magic happens. Just hit publish and profit. The cutting-edge technology of Azon AutoSites will create a premium Amazon affiliate site for you. It's loaded with hot content and reviews for trending products, all set to get high ranks on Google. And voila! Your site is live, ready to rake in profits. Yes, it's that simple. No technical knowledge, no coding, and no hassles. Now that you know how easy it is to create an Amazon affiliate site with Azon AutoSites, it's time to take action. Life is too short to miss out on opportunities that can transform your affiliate marketing journey. With Azon AutoSites, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a game changer. Imagine building premium Amazon affiliate sites that rank high on Google with just 3 clicks. Picture your site filled with hot content, reviews for trending products, and effortlessly monetized. It's not just a dream, it's a reality with Azon AutoSites. This is your chance to join thousands of real marketers benefiting from this never-seen-before technology. Say goodbye to paying huge money monthly to expensive third-party platforms. Instead, let Azon AutoSites do the heavy lifting for you. Don't wait. Check the link in the description to see how easy it is to use Azon AutoSites. Your journey towards a successful Amazon affiliate site starts today.